Welcome back to another video, guys. As you can tell by the title, we're going over some of the things that we have planned for the 2021 Silverado 2500 in this upcoming year. But as always, before we get started, make sure you hit that like button, make sure you subscribe. Don't miss out. A lot of stuff to come for the channel. So let's get to it. Alrighty, so on the back of the truck, couple things. First, we're going to be getting the tailgate lettering just like we did on the 2019 Silverado. It's just so bland and plain, and when you put the vinyl lettering on, it just really makes it pop. We're using the same company as last time, and once we get those in, we'll be doing a full video on that, getting them put on. So hopefully those are in the works, getting those pretty soon. And the second thing is a bed cover. I'm thinking rough country tri-fold soft bed cover. We've done some off brands in the past. We're going to be getting a gooseneck, so make sure you stay tuned for that video. We're doing a full install on a gooseneck ball hitch ourselves in the shop here, so that's going to be exciting. So we're going to be trying that out. That's coming first, besides the lettering, then the bed cover, and then we're going to be getting more in depth with the truck. So on the wheels and tires, I am lost. I really don't know what I want to do. Whether we go 35s, whether we go 37s, do we stay with the Aturo Trailblades that we've had on the previous two trucks, or do we go with something totally different? Obviously, we have some load rating requirements that we're gonna have to meet because we're gonna be pulling a gooseneck, pulling some heavy trailers, so we're gonna make sure we get the proper tire for that. No mud terrains, definitely want an all-terrain tire. Wheels, I wanna stay with a more narrow wheel like we did on the last truck. I do not want a wide, deep dish wheel, no 12 or 14 wides, but I'm thinking about a 9.5 wide. So if you have an idea, make sure you put it down in the comments below. Those are going to be coming mid-year, maybe later in the year. On the lift itself, super lift, rough country, ready lift, there's a ton of different options. I think we're going to be doing a 3-inch lift. I put this truck side by side with the last one, and if you didn't see the last truck, 2019 Silverado, we had a 6-inch lift with 35s on that one. This truck sits almost just as high stock as that one did lift. So I'm thinking a 3-inch lift with 35s, possibly 37s, and it's going to sit just as high, if not higher. Now on the front of the truck, one thing I would really like to do is get a full bodyguard, branch guard, some kind of full bumper system that's going to cover the entire front of this truck. Definitely not going to be doing a off-road type low bumper only. I want the full bodyguard bumper, bullet antennas, and different things like that, small items. On the interior, we already have a set of the Covercraft seat covers. They are awesome. We've ran Covercraft seat covers in the last 3 trucks. We have our LED lighting underneath the dashboard, which if you haven't seen that one, I'll link it up here in the top or something. And the only thing in addition that we plan to do is get some rear underseat storage, which is also by Rough Country. Alrighty, so that is kind of the game plan for the truck. Like I mentioned, small things here and there, like I'd like to change the headlights, the bullet antenna, just little odds and ends like that, maybe some emblems, blacking those out. Those will come along the way, but I wanted to come on here and just talk about the big items such as the lift and the tires, because there are so many options. The gooseneck ball, like I said, we're pulling some big trailers this year, so super excited. We may be taking this on some road trips with a 5th wheel or just a camper. I'm not sure yet, but we have the 6.6 liter gas engine, so fuel mileage is going to be very interesting. I'm averaging about 15 right now, but I will make another video on all that. But otherwise, we're going to leave you here. As always, thanks for watching. Make sure you stay tuned. Video next week or the week after, hopefully. We're going to get parts ordered for this. We're going to get something else ordered for the side-by-side, so make sure you stay tuned. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think, and we'll catch you on the next one.